Good morning, Mercy and Hope Church. Thank you for coming today. And we are so glad that you can be here today. And what an excitement, what a joy to be in the house of the Lord today. Because there's always blessing when you're in the house of the Lord. So today, before we start our preaching, the sermon, we would like to give you a little bit of encouragement. So Jesus said we need to unify one with one another. We need to be in unity because it says in Matthew, Jesus said that a kingdom divided is a kingdom that cannot stand. So for us believers we are part of a bigger kingdom, and we are like body parts, and the head is Jesus Christ. So we have a purpose, and that purpose is to love one another in the kingdom, serve one another, connect with one another, communicate and pray for one another, and serve one another. Just like Jesus served us when he was here, that he died for us, he gave us his life. So we must be a servant, and to unify, the most important, and I believe that this is the vital part of unity in the church, is that we must be humble. We must be lowly. We must put other people first. And we must, even though we are free and we have freedom because we are now in Jesus Christ, that Jesus Christ gave us the liberty and the freedom. Now that we are free, we must use that freedom not to hurt other people, and that we must be humble. So always put other people's first, their needs, their welfare, and that we must help the people that cannot help us back. That's the true meaning of love, to help, not just through words, but through action. So let us be a church that is full of compassion, a church that is unified, a church that is humble, and a church that is ready to serve without asking in return. So thank you so much, and I hope that every one of you will be blessed today. God bless you. Enjoy the service.